Hello! In this video I will show you how to install ChatGPT Widget on Oppo Reno 8 Pro. So you have to start by opening your Google Play Store, then click on search bar and type in Wally AI and click search. Now you can select this application and click install. Now click open. Then you can click on this button to skip introduction and then click not now. Now you can click open permissions and then click on AI assistant and click here to allow this app to display over other apps. Then you can go back and go back again and click start. And as you can see, here is your ChatGPT widget and you can open him and you can tell him to do something. And as you can see, he responded. And if you want to remove him from your screen, just drag him into the X icon in the middle. So that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave a like and subscribe.